GeoPandas is an open source tool to add support for geographic data to pandas objects. With this, we can do various representations of the countries, continents, and states, and we can choose the based on the data. Okay, and the thing is that here we are seeing this map of the international map, world map in this. So the corresponding applications or corresponding data representation can be done using this map. So based on the data whatever we have, so we import the geopandas like this, pandas SPD and geopandas SGPD, and then the corresponding data set will be natural earth lovers, something like this. So we can apply the filter on top of it as we move on. So we can see certain maps like that, the only Asia, and then the color maps is given as reds and it is filtered like this, and the corresponding is filtered here. Okay, and in this we are actually taking the population data. So population data is very much represented, like China is having the highest population, and then the India is representing the highest population, that's the density wise. Okay, that is how it is represented here. And if you go further, the population, again the column population estimation, right? Whatever the data we are considered, no, the p population estimation in the given data. So this is the whether Africa, Asia, or other things, right? Based on that it is coming here, it is represented. Okay, during COVID pandemic time also we have seen the corresponding globe or corresponding world, where it is more number of cases are reported and all those things using this geographical information. Virus, pandemic, or voting percentages, elections, power supply, or literacy rates, poverty, all other things can be represented the countries wise, and all those things. If you see any UN charter like UN, United Nations organizations, there you can see they represent all the world countries various indices. So those things can be represented using this world maps. Okay, this is how we can make use of the world maps, and corresponding the percentage of the rain and heat, density, humidity, and all other factors of the geographical factors also we can represent based on the country location. And even if we can filter any one country, and among them states, provinces, districts, and other things also can be located using these filters.